this is a perfect symmetry in price. So I am confident that it will reach for 168. It's a perfect symmetry in price that I look for. So when I measure manipulation and it gives me 127 and then it comes to 50, I've backtested this for a while. Once it does this, it's gonna screen for 68 and potentially 2. Okay, this is more of a, I don't say it's found anywhere, but it's just me and spending time on the screen looking for these kind of things. It's symmetrical price swings, we call it. So once price makes a new high, okay, you measure the manipulation, expands to 127. If 127 stops price and comes to 50, as you can see perfectly, it's always going to scream for this 618 and then potentially go to 2, because this move here was engineered, so they're gonna make sure they complete the move. So this can go to, for now, I'll say confidently 168. That's where I will take most of my profit off, and then I'll be looking at the 2 as a potential target, right? So if you drop back down, if I drop back down to the daily, you're still bullish. Okay, so if it pulls back down, you're still looking for a buy to get up here. This is absolutely wonderful. It's a pattern that I look for. It's perfect. It does happen much on the dollar index. So let's see, entry wise, do I think not yet? It's not ready for a fall yet, but it's showing how do I put it? It's showing signs of it. It's showing signs of it. It is showing signs of it. I'll buy this imbalance. I'll say here, because it falls back to this, and leave my stop loss there, and then go back up again. That's what I'll do. Yeah, that's what I'll do with this BTC, because it make an impulse leg, probably retrace and then continue going up.